Hello friends, my name is Satish. You are watching my YouTube channel Real Time SAP. Today's session I am going to explain about accounting editing options. In my previous session I have covered some of the accounting editing options which is widely used by the users. And one more important point I covered is accounting editing options is user dependent. Say for example, if I use some of the options in accounting editing options, it will be impact to my user ID only. And other users, if they use some of the options, it will be impact to their user account only. And one more important point I covered is accounting editing options cannot be transported. And what are the systems we are using, we can use in the same system. Now let me go with the screen FB00. So I have covered a few of the important points in last session. You might go to my YouTube channel. I am going to give like my previous session link. You can go over there. And today's session I will cover some of the options, which is important options, which is widely used by the users. And one more point, like what I have covered in last session is the document entry. We can see like document display. We can see open items. Say for example, document entry. If I go with the document entry screen, if I go with accounting editing options, I can see only the document entry accounting editing options. So same way, if I go with the document display, it will appear only in document display screen. Let me go with the document display also, uh, so that it will be like very clear. So you can see only document display. Now let me go with the screen. So one more point, like today's session I'm going to cover is no special GL transactions. That means if I go with the one accounting editing entry, options entry, in my screen, I don't want to see any special GL transactions option to be available. Let me go with the without saving. Let me see how it will be appear. F-02. I can go here. I can see like I can give like document date these fields. Here I have option like a special GL indicator. So this is the normal scenario. The screen is appears. Now let me go with the accounting editing options. I'm going to select no special GL transactions. Just tick this button, save it. Now let me go with the F-02 screen. You can see right, this accounting special GL transactions is disappeared. That means this button like I selected like it is not required to my user ID. Let me go back now and we'll go to some more options. So one of the important options in the screen is which is not covered in last session is calculate taxes on net amount. Let me go with now the usual way how it will be appear. I'm going to FB60. I'm going to select one. I have given like a 10,000. I given tax code as a V1. So I have to give cost center. Since it is a required field, I have to give cost centers. Now you can see right the total amount it is showing like I have to give 10,000 over here. Let me select this one. I have to give here the balance is 10,000. It's clearly showing. Just enter this 10,000. Uh, Just simulate this entry. You can see, right? So even though I have given like 10,000, the purchases it is showing only 8,000. 8,000 is 8,771 is the purchase amount, and in that amount only it is taken like as a tax, and the total is going to the vendor. So it is splitted with my 10,000 with the base amount like the actual amount what we have purchased and tax amount. Total it is going to the vendor. Just save it. Now let me go with this option. No, sorry, calculate our net amount. Okay, this amount before we have tried with without ticking this option. Now we have selected this option. Let me try how it will be like going to appear. FB60.